Press the bell icon on our YouTube app and never miss another video from Spotboy.
I think it's been a very wonderful journey. I can't just express the feeling when someone comes to you and tells you, I've I've grown up watching you, or you have been a very important part of my childhood. That feeling you can't express in words, because being an integral part of someone's childhood is a very wonderful thing, and I'm glad and I'm very blessed to be a part of everyone's childhood. And now becoming a Barjatya hero, what could have been better than being a Barjatya hero? Ek Rishta Sajidari Ka was a very wonderful show, was a little different show than what you usually get to see. It was much of a positive approach to life, and it was more about the family and unity of family, what is kind of not seen much nowadays, because people have got too practical in life nowadays. So I think it was a new outlook to life. Now what's next? I haven't talking I'm talking for a few more projects in terms, but nothing yet finalized right now. So let's see what materializes and क्या होता है. To be frank, it had a very positive, response from all the audience. Everyone loved the show. Everyone loved Aryan and Sachi. Both the characters were like couple goals, what you call nowadays. Most of the social media sites have been posting up pictures with trolls of couple goals and all. But yeah, coming to an end so soon, सोचा तो नहीं था, but ठीक है, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. Probably something else might materialize now. Shivya has been an amazing person. Since day one, when we met, we bonded so amazingly, and that bond just got stronger and stronger. First time, in fact, when we met, she was someone who was chatter, and I was the one who was a little quiet. लेकिन यार इतना बात करेगा, and मैंने जब उससे बात की तो she was telling me कि यार ये इतना चुप क्यों रहता है, कैसे काम करेंगे साथ में. But फिर एक बार once the ice broke, I think everything was cool. Ice broke when Kaushik Dada, director and producer, we started discussing the characters, and she was telling कि हाँ आर्यन ऐसे भी है, वैसे भी है. I was हाँ साची कैसे है वैसे, and basically वैसे ही फिर हम एक दूसरे को समझना शुरू कर दिया. वैसे तो सीनियरिटी में फिर वो उसको ऐसे था कि यार तो शाकालाका में था, but she never expressed it. अभी recently she told me कि when we were standing there for a look test, और जो हमारा था साथ में फोटोज वगैरह क्लिक हो रहे थे, तो that time she didn't know I was संजू from शाकालाका. And हमारी कास्टिंग की जो प्रियंका, she just said कि यार हाँ ये तो शाकालाका में ऐसे कुछ वैसे बातें हैं. Then she just looked at me and said, no, I'm not going to show him that I have seen the serial since childhood. जैसे था. But क्या उसने हमसफर्स किया था, which was a very wonderful show. I have seen a few episodes of it, and even it was a nice love story. तो वैसे कभी ऐसे ये नहीं रहा, because हमसे भी काफ़ी सारे सीनियर एक्टर्स हमारे शो में थे, जैसे नितेश जी, सूरज जी. बट द मोमेंट दैट सीनियरिटी का डर आ जाता है तो योर परफॉर्मेंस गेट्स अफेक्टेड. एंड दे हैव ऑल्सो बीन अमेजिंग को एक्टर्स. दे मेड यू फील सो कंफर्टेबल. कभी कहीं कुछ खामियां तुम में रह जाती है तो वो पॉइंट आउट करते हैं, एंड दे ऑलवेज हेल्प यू ग्रो. सो इट वॉज एन अमेजिंग experience working with both Nitesh ji, Suraj ji, and all the other actors. Yeah, there are a lot of rumors going on like that, and yeah, we have been amazing friends for so long, amazing partners. So yeah, what's wrong in being together for so long? But ठीक है, वो तो personal life है, तो let's see what happens. Yeah, the best thing being with Shivya is always like till we did this show, all I had heard about was opposites attract. And again show में भी जैसे था कि आर्यन और साची बिल्कुल एक थे, and me and Shivya are quite alike and similar interests, similar way the way we think and all. So शो की शुरुआत में like I had come up with this caption on one of my Insta photos also, and then I had told it to Kaushik Dada. हमने शो में भी कई यूज किया था कि opposites attract but alike fuse. तो लेकिन अट्रैक्ट होते दो चीजें चिपकती है सिर्फ, बट जब एक जैसे होते हो तो आप घुल मिल जाते हो, लाइक एक बन जाते हो. तो वैसे ही है. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट शिव्या इज आई थिंक हर एनर्जी. लाइक शी इज अ लाइव वायर. शी कैन गो ऑन डू एनीथिंग. शी इज अ क्रेजी पर्सन. I like Ice. The way she goofs up, like she has a lot of foot in the mouth moments at times, but that's the best thing about her because it's just being her. बिना सोचे समझे कहीं भी कुछ भी बोल देती है, and then it's Shivya, so she can just pass off with it. And I think she's one of the craziest person I've met. So हाँ, मतलब there is nothing like a negative role. Like at times there's an anti-hero or something, because जो भी negative role होता है वो अपने point of view से तो सही होता है, वो अपने point of view से positive ही होता है. So if I have to play something what you call a negative role, I'll have to understand that character's point of view, and probably it will be a positive role for me then. When you just said negative role or something, anti-hero, तो I think बाजीगर का शाहरुख या डॉन का शाहरुख या फिर डर का शाहरुख, if they come as negative role, I'm definitely looking forward for such roles because they are tremendously challenging. Web series is I would love to be a part of a web series because there you get to play with your own creativity. There is not of more of creative interference in web series nowadays, but at times interference नहीं होते हुए, लेकिन there's no censorship also nowadays not happening on web series. So that kind of web series I'm a little reluctant, not looking forward for those kind of web series. But yeah, if there's a good web series, a fine web series, yes, I'm definitely looking forward. Like when it comes to kissing or something, I believe like it's not required to show kissing to express love. Like the most beautiful way to express love is through eyes. So I think that's more than enough. No, not actually. No, not actually. Actually, I feel like these intimate scenes and all. Like now, just take Aryan Sachi for example. Like Aryan Sachi, they never kissed. The most thing that they did was hugged or kissed on the forehead, but still you could feel the love between both of them. So I think that's more than enough. The most important is people whom I'm working with, because जब लोग अच्छे हैं तो कंटेंट अपने आप अच्छा हो जाता है, और जब कंटेंट अच्छा होता है तो ग्रैंडियर अपने आप साथ में जुड़ जाता है. So everything works hand in hand, but yes, the people whom I'm working with is most important. First of all, like the most amazing part working with them is like you feel so homely. Like कभी कोई गुस्सा भी होता है तो यार, तो मतलब the wildest reaction that you can get है, shit यार, ये गुस्सा है वहाँ पे उस सेट पे. तो कभी कोई आवाज कोई चढ़ाता नहीं है, कितनी भी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो जाए, लेकिन हाँ ठीक है, we'll deal with it, whatever it is. So it's a very nice approach to life that you get. Like मतलब इतना बड़ा सेट है, इतना बड़ा सब है, और तभी वहाँ कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाए तो इतने कूल ही रिएक्ट करते. तो हमारी लाइफ में तो इतने छोटे छोटे प्रॉब्लम होते हैं, हम इतने फालतू में परेशान हो जाते हैं. तो लेकिन ये काफ़ी सारे अच्छी चीज़ें सीखने मिली है. एंड देन एज फार एज एक्टिंग, कौशिक दादा has been an amazing person. Like the way he narrates the scene to you is like he just paints it in front of you. What you have to do is just उन्होंने जो कहा है बस वो जाके करना है आपको, and automatically वो वैसे ही हो जाता है. It's all magical. तो बहुत सीखने मिला as an actor and as a person both.